Running far left, far right even.
Hello fellow plastic throwers, this is Fulcrum, and I've got some more footage here of my Simon M14 DMR build. Now annoyingly it seems that the M14's got a bit more overhop than what I first thought. Where we test our guns there's a slight incline, and I think that probably makes the overhop not look as bad as when you're firing across flat ground. And on top of that, I managed to knock my run cam out of focus as I was putting it on the gun, and I also think that the 35mm lens isn't strong enough for sniping, looking at the footage now, so from now on I'm going to use a 70mm pinhole lens for the longer range engagements. And to top it all off, I'm not particularly convinced about the honesty of a couple of players in this video. You'll see who I'm talking about in the video, and I don't want to categorically say that they were ignoring hits, but it looks awfully suspicious. You know, you're hitting the trees around them, you've got range on them, but magically you can't hit them. You can hit the guy standing behind them, but you can't hit that one guy. So there are a couple of instances on this video where I'm not particularly sure about the person's honesty, but I'll leave that up to you. Unfortunately the camera isn't that clear, because otherwise we'd get a better answer, and next time I'm going to be running the pinhole lens for longer range engagements because it captures the BB in flight better and it has vastly more zoom. Now I don't really like introducing a gameplay video with a bit of narration, but I feel like I should say something about why the footage isn't particularly good and why there's bits of footage missing. Some cameras had cut out and some batteries decided to fail, and I forgot to plug a few things in, so it's a bit all over the place. I was also trying in the editing software different overlays for scopes, and I think from now on I'm going to keep the scope cam with no overlay because it's nice and clear, and for the most part I think that's a lot better. But you let me know what you think in the comments. I like the idea of a nice clear scope cam so you can see where the rounds are landing. But regardless of the little hiccups I had whilst filming this footage, I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, make sure you leave a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any new Airsoft content, then make sure you subscribe and enable notifications. And as always guys, play fair, play safe, take care, and I hope you enjoy the footage.
Yep, much of that. Far left, tan hat. Mate, right in front of you. That went over that kid's head by about a minute. Far left! Got ya! Got ya! Ha
Fuck off, good evil. Alright, let's go.
Screw you, fuck off, good evil.
Got it. Oh, come on, that was in your mask.